Coach Storm, Joey Storm, Zero to Podium, and then ngayon, training season. Pa-track-track, kailangan ko magbawas ng timbang.
Oo nga, napansin ko nga, laki ng pinayat mo eh.
Laki ng problema ko nung ilang taon, paano pumayat. Pag mamotor lang pala kailangan ko.
What's the connection between weight and yung using a bike?
Of course, the bike
Oo.
will run.
Okay.
Ikaw, weight ka. Added weight ka sa bike.
Okay.
So, the heavier you are, parang dinadrag ka. So, pinapagod mo yung bike. Pinapagod mo yung engine mo.
Oo.
Kunyari, mas
May
malaki
connection
ka.
pala, no?
Meron
Oo.
connection yung weight ratio. They call that to your suspension, to the power of your motorcycle. And then, kung gusto mo kasi kumarera, yung simple explanation dyan is, there is a certain weight na magko-complement sa motor mo. Kasi mga katabi mong ganun din.
Oo.
'Di ba? Hindi pwedeng pareho tayong motor. Obviously, for yung common sense nun is you have a 600cc, I have a 600cc, you're 165 pounds, I am 190. Mas mas mabagal ako. Or kung mabilis ako, pagod na yung makina ko, kakarga sa akin. Yung isa, ganun din yun. Same as for any motor vehicle.
May connection pala yun, no?